So this is a Zirconia Arch right here with a substructure titanium. You can see this is a very strong titanium substructure, and this is a reconstruction with a lot of bone loss. So this will let us extend the teeth as far as we can, and at the same time get very strong connection to the implants. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 implants with the pterygoid and conventional. So this will be layered with liquid ceramic, baked, and then glazed. So this is the top of the line titanium Zirkonzahn Zirconia